What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a Triumph Sprint. This is the 955i, guys. This thing is pretty sweet. It's a 2000. It's a little older. It's going to be a pretty cheap bike, pretty cheap sport bike. It's a pretty cool bike, though. We got the Two Brothers titanium exhaust. The body's not in bad shape. That's some gook. Looks like we got a scuff right there. The body's actually in pretty good shape, though. I've been pretty impressed with how this thing has held up. Front fender, it's a little scratched up there. Over here, this is where some of the stuff happens. There's a crack here, like where that bolt was. There's some stuff coming through. It looks like you use some glue to try and stick that back together. We got some glue over here. This comes off. There's obviously a back seat. Top of the tank's not in bad shape. There are 20,255 miles on it. Gotta pull on the clutch. Hold on a second. Fire's up, guys. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, guys. I like these Triumphs. Triumph is a great bike. You know, rear tire looks great to me. Let's check out that front tire real quick. Yeah, front tire looks pretty good, you know. Looks a little worn. Looks pretty good, though. Guys, it's a pretty nice little bike. It's going to be a pretty cheap little, like, sport touring-ish little bike. Triumph Sprint 955i. It's a 2000, guys. I showed you the flaws. There's some cracks in the fender, the fairing on the left-hand side of the bike. All in all, though, it's a great bike, guys. Great starter bike for someone to get into. It is technically 1,000, but it won't necessarily, you know, blow your socks off. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike.